Navigation in Twinmotion. In this lesson, we are going to learn how to navigate inside Twinmotion. To do that, we will jump start to a finished project that is made by Twinmotion. The project is called Material Room. Material Room is simply a showroom project that most of the program features and library were used in it. To open the Material Room project, go to File, Demo Scenes, Material Room, and let it load. When the file opens, we can see this round room that has some outdoor landscape in the middle. If we scrolled forward with our mouse, we can zoom inside that room. And by click and hold the right click, we can look around that room. Middle mouse button, we can pan around that room. If we go to Help, Navigation, this navigation window will open. It's the same one that opens when the program starts. And we already set it up as a 3D Max. In this case, the middle mouse button function is pan. Alt plus middle mouse button is orbit, just like in 3ds Max. Additionally, the right click will look around. Here is some illustrations telling us how to move around. So just like video games, we use the arrows or the ASWD buttons. To move up or down, we either use page up and page down or Q and E. Let's close this window and try that out. So we zoom in and out with middle mouse scroll. Right click will look around. Middle mouse will pan. And if we press Alt plus middle mouse button, we will orbit around that object in the middle of the screen. Left button will allow us to select objects. Some objects, when selected, has their own preferences, and we will get to that in details later in this course. To navigate around just like in the video game, W will let us move forward, A to the left, D to the right, and S will move backwards. E will go down and Q will move up like this. Another very useful shortcut is the F button on the keyboard. When we select an object and press F, it zooms extend to that object, like that. First, we select the car, and then press F, and Twinmotion zooms in on it. Another important thing in navigation is the speed of the navigation. How fast are you moving inside your project? For small projects like this one, we will need to move relatively slowly, just like taking a walk inside that showroom. But for bigger projects like a compound or a small city, the speed of walking would not be that efficient. To change the navigation speed, we will press this eye icon here, press the second icon here named Speed, and simply choose one of those three options. We can either move with walking speed, bicycle speed, or car speed. It is currently set to bike speed. Let's change it to walking, and by moving in our scene, we are walking with that slow speed. The other option is the bike speed, like this one. And this is the car speed option. Not efficient in a small project like this one, but very useful in bigger scenes. Let me get back to bicycle as it is the most appropriate for our scene. Okay, let's say I'm moving with the speed of bicycle and I just want to move faster for just a couple of seconds and get back to my speed. The shortcut to speed movement is shift. So while I am moving forward, for example, I press shift with the W or the forward button, and that will make me move faster. On the other hand, if I want to slow the movement down while moving, we can press Alt like this. And that's all about how to navigate inside Twinmotion 2019.